Hey guys, what's up? It's Justin Mark, international dating coach and relationship expert. Right now I'm just joined here with Nick Dora Seduction.
What's up, guys?
And in this video, we're going to be talking about reputation, social reputation, and being known, cultivating a reputation, why it matters, why it doesn't. Let's jump straight in. Guys, so you're probably watching this video thinking, oh my god, my reputation matters. Oh my god, oh no, the reputation matters. It's so crazy. Like, I need to make sure I have a good reputation. Here's something that's really interesting. If you want to succeed in life when it comes to being social, you need to 100% not give a flying fuck about what anybody thinks about you. You need to realize that one day you're going to die. Everyone you know and love is going to die as well. No one's going to remember you. You're going to be lost to history. Even if you were to get like famous, you could be like Alexander the Great. You could be like Jesus, and you could be talked about for thousands of years. But at some point, the sun's going to fucking explode. We're all going to fucking die. Human life will cease to exist. Nothing matters. So do whatever the fuck you want. If you see that cute girl walking down the street, go say hi. If you see that cool dude you want to talk to, go make friends with, say what's up, right? Nothing matters. Who gives a flying fuck? Do it. Just make your life a life you want to live, especially when it comes to meeting people around you, being social. But further than that, reputation actually does matter on a micro level in your daily life as well. Because think about this. If nothing matters, that means everything matters. That means every little thing you do matters. But it also means like you shouldn't give a fuck because you're going to die anyway. But it also means
nice
that every single little thing you do, from the way you treat people, the way you carry yourself, the way you present yourself to the world, really matters, because this is your one life and you gotta fucking live it.
And also, in terms of reputation, there's a time and place when to give a fuck and when to not give a fuck. Okay, so with social circle and with, just being amongst people who are, you value their opinion and it may bite you in the ass if you leave a bad impression. That's when reputation matters. When you're entering some random social circle, you're going to somebody's party and you have no idea who anyone there is, and it doesn't matter what you do, or you're going to some random club, or you're just hitting the streets at night, making a fool out of yourself. But in that instance, reputation doesn't matter, because odds are you're never going to see any of those people again. All right, they don't know you. No information will get back to you. All right, amongst that social circle, you can be whoever you want to be in that situation. All right, you can say whatever you want to say to everybody. And in our come up in game, like, we would just not give a fuck. So we'd go up to strangers and we'd say the most retarded, crazy shit. And there were times where it didn't work for us, but there were times where we had some epic pulls.
I remember walking down the street, leaving a club. I was like 18 years old at the time. I had used a fake ID to get in the venue, and I was having a shitty night. Okay, this is back before I spoke Spanish, before I was a well-traveled individual, and I was in this like Latin night club, and it's funny because like now if I go there, Momentos, it's such a fun fucking venue, such a great place to go to, and it's a lot of fun now when I go. But back then, my first night there, I was like, what the fuck? Everyone is speaking this weird exotic third world language, and I don't know what's happening. I don't understand the music. I wasn't vibing. I wasn't feeling it. My buddy I was with a girl. The girlfriend I was with was, picked up a guy, and I was like, fuck this. And I texted a girl that I had, met the past week, and I was like, hey, let's meet up for drinks. It's the middle of the night. It's like midnight. Let's meet up. And on my way to meeting up with that girl, I saw a girl walking on the street, and she was kind of just in a corner, kind of laughing and taking selfies. I walked up to her, started flirting with her, and I knew I'm probably never going to see this person again. I'm never going to talk to her again. And I literally just started hitting on her. I was like, honestly, you're so fucking cute. This woman is hot as fuck. She was a cute light skin. She was a light skinned sweetie. She was like a foot taller than me. And, she didn't have any friends with her, so no one could judge her. I didn't have any friends with me. No one could judge me. And I literally looked her dead in the eyes and I said, let's hook up. Let's have sex. As crazy as it is. And I said it in a way that was very respectful and consensual and non-creepy, non-judge. And I did that after, talking to her for like, I don't know, a couple minutes, and she could feel the vibe and chemistry. And we were all like hugging and kind of like touching. And we started making out on the street. We just started making out in the middle of the street. Just me walking down the street by myself, making out with this cute light skin. And I was going to actually pull her to this hotel. And I wasn't going to pay for the hotel. I was broke. I think I was like 18 years old. And I was going to like hook up there in the staircase. And she was like, why are we going to the staircase? I have a room here. And she pulls out a card for the room key. And I'm like, whoa, okay. So we went to her room. And, a gentleman never remembers. I don't know what happened. What happened? Who knows? I don't know. And I ended up meeting up with the girl I had originally planned to go on a date with. I left the club to go meet up with a girl. Met a girl on the way. Crazy things happened. And then I went to like the little date. And, I ended up doing stuff with her too. Good times. A gentleman never remembers. Who knows? Maybe this happened. Maybe it didn't. I don't remember. I don't know. It's many years ago. But all that matters is I didn't give a flying fuck. I didn't care because I knew I'm never going to see her again. Now, you don't want to do it in a way where you're going to hurt people's feelings, offend people, or burn bridges in a negative way. You never want to tell someone fuck off or hurt someone's emotions because, then they are going to remember you. And if they ever do bump into you again, they're going to remember you as a very horrible individual. But you want to always leave the person better than before you found them. You want to leave them with positive emotions, positive energy. And that way, hey, in the off chance you do ever bump into each other again, awesome. They have great memories with you. But most of those people, you're never going to see them again, so it doesn't even fucking matter. It doesn't matter. Treat everyone with respect and dignity and offer positive energy and fun vibes, but be yourself fully. Don't judge yourself and step out of your comfort zone to be whoever the fuck you want to be and be it fully to the fullest. And in the best way possible, express your personality fully. Okay? Now, the best part is over time, you'll actually go out and you'll see these people again. Sometimes you will. You'll see some of these people again. And you'll build a social reputation. And you'll cultivate reputation. And you'll use things like Instagram, social media, right? Maybe you're following me and it's Nick Dora on Instagram or Drunk Justin 2 on Instagram. You'll follow us, right? Tagged. We got my Instagram right here. Guys, Instagram right there. Go follow us, right? And you'll be part of our soul circle and, our reputation and your reputation with us. And you create these circles using social media and, the ability to go out and meet people, okay? So over time, what you're trying to do is you're trying to become the man who is outgoing, confident, charismatic, a go-getter, but you're also trying to the fullest, create an amazing reputation where you don't give a fuck, you're the guy who doesn't care, but you're also high value, high status, and you know a lot of amazing people because of your ability to offer tons of value to others and create these awesome win-win interactions and provide a lot of positive emotions and experiences to others' lives.
See, like doing cold approach and one-offs and approaching strangers may get you laid that night, and you might get girls here and there, but with reputation, your results grow exponentially because when you're not in the room, people are talking about you. Buzz is being created about you. Your reputation is growing based on the word of mouth of the people who speak fondly of you, okay? Of those connections that you've, like a farmer just planting seeds and fucking nurturing it, watching it grow. Those connections are growing, while you're sleeping, while you're not in the room, while you're not even physically present. And then friends of friends will hear of you. Girlfriends will hear of you and be like, oh my God, he sounds so cool. I can't wait to meet him. When's the next party? I want to come meet him. Friends of friends of friends. And then it just grows, this network.
Now, here's the problem with that. If you don't leave them with a very positive experience, you're going to have a negative reputation. And I mean, hey, having a reputation is better than having no reputation. But it's ideal that you leave everyone with positive experiences and you build these amazing win-win relationships and they talk about you in an amazing way. You offer so much value to others' lives in all kinds of ways through your positive emotions, making other people feel positive emotions because people feel what you feel, or through, amazing experiences, events, parties, crazy adventures, just having good times. And what's going to happen over time is, as Nicholas just mentioned, people will talk about you when you're not around and they'll say good things, right? Hopefully, right? Hopefully they'll say amazing things about your amazing personality and that reputation will spread. Like our good friend Lucas, he pretty much met us and met me because he had heard about me from some of his friends who had seen some of my content or had met some of his friends.
Yeah. Like Kyle, literally, he's also one of my roommates. He just met me through hearing about me in the community and seeing one of my videos posted in like the group, like a Facebook group one day. And he's just like, well, fuck, I've heard good things. I've heard he's a real deal. I like what he has to say. I want to come meet him. So then he reached out to me, offered value. He gave me these sick free photos and I got to know him. I liked him and I offered to let him move in and he's been there for a year now.
And it's crazy how, this works for men and women. Your reputation oftentimes will exceed who you are. And so you want to, have that. Have, an amazing lifestyle, an amazing personality, amazing behavior and emotions that brings out the best in others. So they want to be around you. They constantly talk about you and how amazing you are, right? And then people, you build this like abundance of people who want to be in your life, people who want to be your friend, people who just want to kick and hang out with you. And that can be men, that can be women. And you also want to do it from a place of not giving a flying fuck because it all doesn't matter because we're all going to fucking die anyway. We're all going to die. You could die tomorrow. You could die next week. Like, imagine if this was the last week of your life. How would you live it? How would you live this last week of your life? Socially, emotionally, spiritually, mentally? Would you, be depressed, being like, I'm going to die? Or would you live your life to the absolute fucking fullest? Being who you want to be, saying whatever you want to say, right? And that's the truth. Like, you could die at any moment. You could die tomorrow, next week, next month, 10 years from now, 150 years from now, maybe never. Maybe we'll invent some sort of technology that allows you to live forever. But who the fuck knows? You don't. I don't. It doesn't matter. You're going to die. No one's going to remember you. Be yourself and live your life to the fullest, okay? But what that also means is that because this is your one life, everything you do matters, and people are going to talk about you, and your reputation is going to exceed who you are, and whether that's good or bad. So what you want to do is ideally be the best version of yourself in a very confident way, because you know you're going to die. It doesn't even fucking matter. And give your value and your gifts to the world to leave the world a better place, and the world will be an amazing place for you right now while you're here living.
Honestly, yeah, rejection is nowhere near as painful as regret, okay? So if you keep doing the same shit you've always done, you're going to continue to get the same results you've always gotten, which is why you have to live a life of calculated risk, all right? Stop being a little bitch, stop staying in your comfort zone, and expand that like crazy, okay? By meeting new people, experiencing new things, and cultivating a reputation within new circles of people. Don't just stay limited to the people you know now. Expand that to, fucking worldwide.
Increase risk tolerance. Go out there, be motivated, put yourself out there, and create an amazing life for yourself. Create an amazing reputation for yourself, and live your life to the absolute fucking fullest, where you're living every day happy, fulfilled, and giving your value and your gifts to the world. My name is Justin Mark, international dating coach and relationship expert.
Nick Dora. Thanks for watching, guys.
And guys, I want you to go follow Nick on YouTube, Nick Dora Seduction. Follow his Instagram, it's Nick Dora. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the bell notification so you're notified of new videos. Go follow my Instagram. Message me. I'll actually message you back. I reply to most messages as long as you're intelligent and, you seem cool. So, yeah, go follow us. Subscribe. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video. And we'll talk to you guys very soon in a new video. Peace out.